it's a real working fire station, it borrows its name. It is real. And although it is a real fire station, it borrows its name from the popular 70s TV show Emergency. Stages in Hollywood. Now, over the years, hundreds of movies are shot inside Soundstage 12. Here are just a few. That's not one of them. This is one of them. Look how big that is. Now, those are just some of the things that did shoot here on the lot that obviously aren't shooting here now because they're finished. That's not to say that we don't currently make movies here at Universal. Oh, no. Think about checking out our VIP experience. That's where you yourself can become one of those invited guests and tour actual working movie sets. Now, I should clarify. The CSI that films here is indeed the original CSI with Lawrence Fishburne. Not CSI Bakersfield, not CSI Sheboygan, not CSI Hackensack, not even CSI Provo, but the original CSI. Now, over here on your right is Stage 28, one of the oldest sound stages in Hollywood. And over the years, hundreds of movies are shot there, but it's well known for its very first production. See, in 1925, Stage 28 was built to house the elaborate Paris Opera House set from The Phantom of the Opera, starring Lon Chaney, the man of 1,000 faces in one of his most terrifying roles. And the Opera House set still stands there even to this day. Over here on your left is Stage 27, which is where some of the movie Little Fockers was shot. Stage 27 was also used in Evan Almighty. That's the sequel to Bruce Almighty, starring Steve Carell, who repeats his role from Bruce Almighty in Evan Almighty. Now, you're probably scratching your heads and looking at me like, you're being a dork. Anyway, right now we are about to move from the big screen to the small screen. And incidentally, that is not the first time in my life that a woman has accused me of being a dork. Our TV history goes back some 70-plus years, the very first broadcast, which was the opening ceremony of the 1939 New York World's Fair. Since that time, on your left, he is a sign of our new deal with Hasbro. Yes, we have a deal with Hasbro. We're making movies based on, I kid you not, your favorite board. And these are some of the newest structures on our lot. The reason I say that is because on June 1st, 2008, these sets burnt down in a terrible fire. And they've since been rebuilt under the express personal supervision of Mr. Steven Spielberg. Now, Steven is just one of the many legendary filmmakers that have worked with us here at Universal over the years. Another one is Mr. Peter Jackson.
It's the original King Kong that made me want to direct movies. I saw that movie on TV when I was about 8 or 9 years old, and I wanted to become a filmmaker. I like films that just take you away from your real life and sweep you up into the beach. Kong literally does that. I mean, you're on board the ship, you're sailing to a lost island, you're encountering monsters and creatures from, prehistoric times. So I was thrilled when Universal Kong as he appeared in the movie.
Uh-oh. It's dark, I'm scared.
See, a 3D glasses thing makes me think.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Skull Island.
Yeah. And digital technology.
Okay, glasses on everybody. We're back in Skull Island.
projected on the world's largest digital 3D screens. They stand 40 feet tall, and they are 180 feet long. And the film was created by Peter Jackson and the team at Weta Digital. The filmmakers at Weta have won 5 Academy Awards, and they have worked on such films as King Kong, The Lord of the Rings trilogy, and Avatar. Now, I can honestly tell you folks, you will not need your 3D glasses for the rest of the tour. So, hang on to it, folks, because we're going to have a place for you to put them at the end of the tour. Now, King Kong is one of the newest experiences on our studio tour. We're always trying to come up with new and exciting. So, a picture car is any car that's seen on camera. Whether it runs or not is irrelevant. If it's on camera, it's a picture car. Some picture cars are as famous as the stars who've driven them.
Oh man, Grand National.
What was that from?
Nice.
Oh, that one's
Now, over the years, folks, picture cars have gotten bigger,
Really? Nice
fatter. Folks, please stay seated. The tram is moving. And faster as movie audiences embrace their need for speed. Speaking of them, believe it or not, I actually drive a better car than that. Hard to believe, but it's true. Now, right now, we're going to take you behind the scenes on one of our biggest films to use picture cars, the third film in the Fast and the Furious series, Tokyo Drift. Right now, folks, we're taking you behind the scenes on Fast and the Furious Tokyo Drift, and we're going to show you how we can put these picture cars to practical use. This is special effects stage 55 that we're entering right now, and as you'll see, it's been decked out Tokyo style. Our special effects teams were working around the clock to not only dress the set, but to prep our picture cars for today's special effects test run.
Clear on the set.
Okay, folks, we are now stopped, so if you're on the right-hand side, you can stand up, get a better look.
Go! Smoke! Go! Fire! Go! Okay, we're clear for a full run-through. All systems checked. This one's for real, guys, so watch out. And action!
Applause for Carnage and Karma, examples of motion control technology. Take them out, boys! Oh, that's awesome. Any other cool moves for us? Well, ask a silly question. Okay, folks, please do not sit on the railings at any time. I know it's tempting, but please don't sit on the railings of the tram. They are not meant to be sat on. Thank you. And folks, please resume your seats as we are about to get the tram moving. Let's get a big round of applause for Carnage, Karma, and the entire special effects team. Very nice work. Yes, I am a shot.